was we up here. Well, we up here in Fayetteville, and cause Malachi had a basketball tournament, and a windstorm came through Russellville at my door. This is what I woke up to. This is what I woke up to. This is what I woke up to. I can't get inside my house. Come on. Yeah. The love frequency. The love frequency. Come on, man. I'm in a hotel room right now. We're in Fayetteville. Come on, man. Man, the garage is... The garage is thrashed. Come on. My wife went back home this morning. Our friend Stephanie, that lives around the corner, she texted her and she was like, "Hey, the cops and the fire department is right in front of your house." Come on, man. Pop up. And I don't know if y'all can see. That, man. That's the root. That's the root. That's the root. That's the whole. Man, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it fell. This tree, and see, I showed pictures of this tree before. This tree was, yeah, see, it sits on, look at that, look at that. Golly. And the pole, the power pole standing, but the wind knocked down this big tree. Wow. All I gotta say is Allah, man. That we wasn't in the house, man. Because my daughter would have freaked out. The garage is destroyed. Golly. My jigga, what? the low frequency. Yeah, I gotta call down to the office to see if I could. Look at that big root. That's a root. Yeah, we have no power. Golly, look at the size of that root. That's a crater. I better. And see, look. Hey, that's the burnt. That's the burnt tree that the lightning hit. It's still black. Alright, man, I gotta get out of here. Alright, Allah Hawa. Peace out!